Welcome to the exploration of the Payment Link Analysis Dashboard, a user intuitive segmentation by Perceptive Analytics, addressing today's fast changing payment ecosystem features. This analysis was conducted for a client that operates a global B2B payments platform. It allows the head of customer success to achieve sharper targeting, stronger acquisition strategies, and deeper customer relationships. By connecting customer behavior with transaction insights, we uncover the blueprint that drives lasting customer success. The feature in focus empowers users to receive payments effortlessly. Users can accept payments by sharing the generated QR code with the payers, which can be scanned, details entered, and the transaction is completed without requiring payers to sign up. To understand how this feature is being adopted, we conducted a deep dive into user segmentation and transaction trends. The objective was simple: who are the users, how do they engage, and where do the growth opportunities lie? Let's have an overview of the leading KPIs. We target adoption trends from July 2023 to December 2023. The transaction volume crossed $5.3 million through more than 3,500 payments initiated, generating around $208,000 in revenue for the platform. What's striking is that while payment counts grew steadily, volumes grew even faster, signaling that users trust the feature with increasingly larger transaction values. At the same time, nearly 3,000 initiators transacted with over 1,000 counterparties. Each initiator is engaging multiple payees, creating a multiplying effect across the network. Let's explore the dashboard further and conduct several analyses. To get clarity on customer acquisition, we can break down usage between new and existing customers. The feature is consumed more by existing users. Their adoption was nearly 3 times higher than the new users, highlighting that returning customers remain the core base. At the same time, new customers, though contributing only 30% of the payments, are responsible for a higher share of overall transaction volume. That means that while they transact less frequently, they bring in larger value payments, a clear indicator of high value potential from early adopters. Next, looking at the transaction types, we see users increasingly adopting international payments. By December, nearly a third of the transactions were cross border, showing the feature's relevance beyond local transfers. Extending the analysis to the type of accounts, adoption is clearly led by businesses. By December, business users made up nearly 78% of all activity. To understand the user base better, we can narrow down the demographics to the month of December. About 1 in the 4 users is from United States, and within this group nearly 60% belong to consultancy and retail. After identifying the users, the next focus is their origins. Initially, paid campaigns drove acquisition, but social has recently taken the lead. This shift indicates that there's room to reduce reliance on paid spend while scaling through cost efficient social channels. Finally, at the account level, we can see the top contributors driving the volume. A few stand out with exceptionally high transactions. This analysis calls for deepening engagement with the right users. Focusing on high value business accounts in consultancy and retail while shifting towards social led acquisition can help scale the feature faster and more efficiently. The analysis helps customer success leaders to identify adoption trends across rollout period, analyze user engagement for customer targeting, and prioritize areas for feature improvements. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.